video to show you how to Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Twinter. I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you how to save your Tangy Tuesday and make sure your work doesn't get lost. And my screen looks just slightly different than yours, but I'm just going to give you a quick little tour. So when you click on your folder and you see the Tangy Tuesday, it's week 21 and it's the PDF. Up here, Mrs. Twinter gave you directions and that's where you got this video from. But you're going to click on this week 21. And if you click on this, the PDF should appear right here in just a second, maybe. But in order to get it so that you can write on it, this button right here, you need to click on download. And it's going to say show in folder. When you click on there, it will open it up. And there you can see Mrs. Twinter's week 21. I click on that, and it opens up. So now I can write on it. A lot of people said they had trouble writing in the boxes because they were so small, but one of the tricks that I like to do is I like to zoom in so that you can write in the boxes. You can zoom in and out. So like for the first one, let's do 20 times 10 to the second. So 20 times 100 would have 3 zeros. So let's go to one down. And I'm going to click on my pen. Right. Three. Now, let's pretend I do all my work, or even I just do part of it, but I'm not done. I want to keep working on it. Do you see this button right here? You have to hit that download button again. This time, when I save it, it's going to ask me down here, what do you want to save it? I'm going to call this week 22 Mrs. T. So I saved my work, and now I know it's saved, but it's only saved what I've done so far. And then I close out and I want to go do something else. And then you're like, well, how do I find my work? Like, how do I find it again? Well, if you click on here and you click on apps, you have a folder called files. And when you click on your files and you go to downloads, remember that arrow that we clicked on, sorry. Click on downloads, maybe. There's week 22, Mrs. T. I can open that up, and I can scroll, and my work is still there. Now, if I want to keep working, I'm going to have to save it every single time to make sure that I have my work. Please email me or let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.